Good day, Team NP. It's me, Merrick from Nats Performance. And ang init sa Pinas, no? Especially here in Davao City, since we're near the equator. Punta tayo sa GovGen. Tara, GovGen. Tara, Team NP, let's go! Good day, Team Nats Performance, no? It's me, Mavericks, and ngayon pupunta tayo sa Governor Generoso for the summer beach camp. And we have our rigs behind us. We have here our newly built na BYD Shark 6 na equipped na yan, and syempre ready na for bugbugan. And our iconic na Nissan Terrano, Green Beast na talaga to. And with rolling with the beadlock rims, the staff feature natin to sila mamaya, focus natin to mamaya. And si Ma'am Jani ang ating Hilux na Vigo. And by the way, kaka-feature ko lang din yan, naka-equip sa kanya yung ating Gearmate canopy. We are waiting sa kasama natin because madami-dami din tayo because we have to freshen up with a summer beach. So Team NP, I just want to show you how handy the Gearmate canopy really is. Let's check this out. Madami tayong load dito sa loob. Let me show you. Dito. Oh, napaka-occupy dito sa likod. So, yan, kita nyo naman. Made with aluminum, so lightweight, but durable. We also have a lineup dito. And of course, the iconic Blue Raptor project natin. And I still love this to this day, guys. Grabe, nai-inlove talaga ako kasi napakaayos ng pagka-build sa kanya, no? It really harmonizes with the overall look of the Raptor. Syempre naman, ating wheels, and look at those threads na sa wheels natin. That is Journey tires, everyone, no? So, dalawa dito sa atin, naka-equip yung Journey tires. We have Journey tires, Toyo tires, tapos dito, naka-Journey tires din to with the Claw XTR. So, hinintay natin sila Sir Bobby, yung unit nila, kasi dalawa yung dadalhin nila eh. Let's go! Stop over na tayo sandali at of course babiyahin na naman tayo. We are at Tagum, I think. Yes, we are at Tagum, tapos alis naman tayo kasi patuloy natin yung takbo natin. So guys, we are now at Davao Oriental and look at our units, no? Naka-line up tayo ngayon. Ang ayos na line up natin, no? We have the Gladiator, we have the Vigo with the Gearmate canopy and the Buya tent, and of course ang ating bagong rims at Toyo tires, no? We have our BYD Shark 6. Ito lang yung nag-iisang EV sa lineup natin ngayon. So, napakaayos. Tingnan nyo naman, naka-equip to kasi look our TE37 Saga S Plus in diamond dark gunmetal finish. And all-terrain na BF Goodrich now. We have the KO2 and ang ating mga nakalagay dyan sa taas. Papakita natin yung mamaya kasi gamit na gamit yan. And we also have our DJM awning dito sa kabila. After we took some pictures, babalik na kami ulit sa daan papunta sa campsite namin, na which is dun talaga sa beach side. So, Team NP, nasa Lupon na tayo, no? Tingnan niyo yung lineup natin, no? Ford na Ranger nila, no? Ranger Raptor nila na Gen 1 with the option X. The front bumper. So, dito tayo magla-lunch sa Berries & Co. So, let's go guys. Kain muna tayo. Fill our tummies. Kasi ang init. Baka mapapakain din tayo ng halo-halo dito. Let's go. Evo 12S. Pull out the winch again. Team NP, we are at Governor Generoso. And check this out. Naka-deploy na lahat ng rooftop tents. We have the Ford Ranger here. And of course, yung newly built natin na BYD Shark 6 equipped with the 2.5 by 2.5 meter awning. Grabe, power. So, naka-set up dito sa likod natin, we have the si Soleya, no? Which is our Jeep JL. And, tingnan nyo, nakabuklat yung kanyang TJM Alora na tent. And, Team NP, kitang-kita nyo naman kanina na gamit na gamit yung worn winch natin, no? From VR10 to VR12S na naka-equip dun sa Nissan Terrano. Yung Nissan Terrano natin, we can call him the MVP of today's trip, no? Because the Nissan Terrano actually assists. Kasi it's just assistance. Kasi power eh. Team Nats performance yan. Here is our ADA Overland. Very quick, simple, easy to set up. It's currently 6 p.m. and dinner time na. Kasi gutom na kasi the entire day trip tayo eh. Of course, we made stopovers. Now it's time to have an eat over dito sa Gobjen Seaside. Tingnan nyo. Yung beach side oh. Tingnan naman yung sunset. Kitang-kita po. Ganda dito guys. Ayos dito. Lalo na kung meron yung mga off-road rigs, no? Of course, naka-set up na tayo. So, after set up, kumain na tayo. Kain na tayo. Let's go. Let's eat, everybody.
At syempre, pagkatapos ng kwentuhan at mga inuman, kami ay nagpahinga. See you guys on the next video. And again, this is Gobjen Summer Beach Camp with Nats Performance.